Welcome back to another KS Racing video. Here we have one of our KS Racing Lite air suspension kits that we've just got modeled up on the table. We'll quickly run through how we could set this system up, just a basic way. There's a lot of different options, a lot of different ways of setting it up, but this is just a quick basic way of how we would do it. Starting off with the big component, which is the air tank. With all our air tanks, whether it's a 3 gallon, 4 gallon or 5 gallon, they all come with 7 ports. All are 1/4 inch fitting, so it's the same size throughout the whole tank. And if we start on the right hand side of this setup, we've got your air compressor. Air compressor runs through the braided lines into a water separator. From the water separator, it connects into a 1/4 inch to 1/4 inch male fitting, or some people call it a 1/4 inch nipple fitting. That then goes straight into the air tank itself. And then coming to the top here, you've got your pressure sensor. Pressure sensor will also connect to a fitting, and then the fitting will go attached to the air tank. And then if you come from behind, there's a blank plug there. Then if you come to the other side of the air tank, you've got a 1/4 inch fitting into an 8mm airline fitting that runs into the manifold. On the manifold, it all has labels. So in here it says in, so that's the air going into the manifold. Then if we jump back to the air tank, we've got another blank fitting here. And then we've also got your pressure release valve at the back. Then you're thinking, where's the last fitting? That is on the bottom. You have your air tank drain valve there. Coming back to the manifold itself, you've got 2 exhaust valves on either side of the manifold. These are mufflers. You can keep them screwed in for a quieter air and out noise, or you can unscrew them if you want it to be a bit louder. Then you've got 2 here. It will say F and R, which is also your left hand side or your right hand side. So that's 2 independent solenoids there. So from the main wiring harness, that gets connected into the power box. There's only one port that you can connect it to, the one down the bottom. Flip the power box on its side so we can still get an idea of the whole configuration. Coming from the power box, you've also got another clip here. This has a red and a black cable as well as a yellow cable. The red and the black, those go to your pressure sensor. Doesn't matter which way the wiring go, either way is fine. The yellow wire coming off the clip here, that is for your 12-volt accessory. That just activates the air compressor and turns the system on when it gains power. That way there's no power draw when the car's off, so you won't get left stranded with no power. Coming to the bottom, you've got your black and red. That's your main power cable. Off the red, there is a fuse that you attach to it, and that just goes straight through the battery. Then we come to this thing here, right hand side. Take this plastic clip off. That is the wiring for your air compressor, so connected there like that. Red up the top, black down the bottom. If you run a dual pump system, then same thing on this side of it. General systems are a single compressor kit, so you just need to do one side of it. And then the final port on the power box is this middle one here, more of a square one. That one is the port to connect your wire remote control that goes inside the cabin. This is the remote control inside the cabin. Like I said before, the square port that goes straight into the power box. Run that through the vehicle, and then you just have your USB to micro USB attachment onto the remote control. So that's how we would set up a system like this. Like I said earlier in the video, there's many different ways of setting it up, each their own, wherever you're putting it inside the vehicle. So there's many different options. It's not one setup for all. But if you have any questions, give us a call, shoot us an email. We'll be more than happy to help you out.